Hi students, are you ready to make your planet videos using Puppet Pals? Remember to use your checklist. You should have your planet identified in the top, which iPad your group is using, and who's in your group. You want to complete the steps in order. You're not going to get everything done in one class period, that's okay. You still need to make sure your group has time to check out your library books and then work on following things in this order. Right? The first thing is to take everyone's picture inside Puppet Pals. So on whichever iPad you've been assigned, you're going to find Puppet Pals. Remember, you can search for things over here. Oh, there it is, Puppet Pals HD, the one with the chair. Once you get to Puppet Pals, you want to press to start. We're not using any of the preloaded characters. Now, if your characters are not in here, you need to go to the top and add an actor. If you've already taken a picture, you would say choose existing, but I suspect you haven't, so you're going to take a photo. Once you have your photo, you're going to just use your finger to trace around the outside of your photo so you can make this character a puppet in your show. When you're done, it's going to ask you if you accept this or reject it. You're going to hit the green accept if you like it. This will show up at the end of your list. You're going to do this for each member of your group. Once you're done, you're going to hit next. This is where you're going to get your backgrounds and your title page. If you've already done your title page in DoodleBuddy, then you're going to add backdrop from photo and say choose existing because you already took the picture. Okay, now remember to do your title page, which includes the name of your planet and who is in your movie, you're going to go into DoodleBuddy to do that. You need to go into DoodleBuddy, draw the picture here, and then you're going to hit the toolbar, save to photo album. When the picture's already saved, you add backdrop, choose existing, go to your camera roll, and take it. Now this would be sideways. We wouldn't want it like that, so just use your fingers to arrange it how you want it. And once you have it where you want it, you hit accept. Of course, if your group hasn't done this yet, then you need to close Puppet Pals. You'll need to go in and open DoodleBuddy so that you can draw your title page. Once you're in DoodleBuddy and you have it the way you want, you're going to hit the tool to tell DoodleBuddy that you want to save this to your photo album. Second thing you want for pictures is to go into Solar Walk. In Solar Walk, you'll be able to take pictures of your planets. When you're in a program like Solar Walk and you want to take a picture, what you're going to do is push on two buttons of the iPad at the same time. You're going to do what's called a screenshot. So once Solar Walk opens up, you're going to find the one that you want. You're going to push on the home button here. You're going to press that down, and then you're going to push this bottom one quickly. So hold the top one down and click. Did you see that flash? That means it's in your camera roll, and you can now use that inside DoodleBuddy. You can take that picture into DoodleBuddy and label it, or you can just take it directly into Puppet Pals and use it as a background. Now I'm back into Puppet Pals. I have my characters, and I'm going to get those pictures. They're choose existing because I just took them. Again, center them where you want and hit accept. You can do this up to 5 times. Once you've selected the 5 pictures, you hit next, and now you're ready to put together your show. Up here at the top, this is what changes your background, and you just move your person with your finger. You're going to hit the red button to record. If you don't finish in one class, the next time you come in, you can press to start, select your actors, go to next, come down, select your background, and go to next. Here you'll be ready to start. The red button will start recording. Hi, my name is Student 1. My name is Student 2. I'm Student 3, and I'm Student 4. If you hit the yellow lines, you will pause the recording. You can take the characters off and change the background. Here you can then take turns sharing your facts. You'll hit the red button to record again. Did you know that this planet has rings around it? I did. And did you know that this planet has a lot of moons? Again, you can pause to change your facts. Uranus is in the Milky Way galaxy. Uranus is very far. And hit pause. When you're all the way done, you'll either hit the square to stop. Here, you're going to be ready to save it. Push the little arrow down, put the name of your planet and your class, and hit save. You'll now be able to watch your show. Hi, my name is Student One. this point, I'd also like you to export your video to the camera roll. And this means you're all done. Now remember, if you don't like something, you can go back and do it again. Make sure everyone in the group is happy with your work. I know you're going to do a great job.